Oh, hey guys, this is Adventure Nightmare Devin-Foxy, and today we're going to be reacting to Ask Fredbear and Spring Bonnie and Puppet. So, I will react to two videos, and I mean two videos in the whole part of this video. So, anyway, welcome back to my first channel called Adventure Nightmare Devin-Foxy, and mostly, it'll be definitely changed. So, anyway. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. And also, hit the bell to be notified in every video that you'll see and every video in the comments. I mean, every video on the bell. So, go watch them as you can or want. So, hope you all enjoy. Please be sure to subscribe. And also, please be sure to subscribe anything that you can or whatever you guys can do. So, yeah. So, please subscribe to Darkbox or Rai99. Whatever. So it's your guys' opinion, whoever you want to subscribe. So yeah. So anyway, guys, we'll start off with Ask Fredbear and Spring Bonnie and Puppet, and the next one will be from other Rai9's videos. So go watch Rai9 and mostly Darkbox. So I don't make those videos of them. I actually want to react to them shortly. So yeah, I definitely want to react to every video. So I'm not trying to steal their videos or the real people who made these videos. So yeah, I'm not a stealer or anything else. So yeah, I don't steal people's videos. I just only want to react to them. That's for the only reason why and how. So that's why I want to react to this. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into the video in 3, 2, 1, go.
Fredbear, are you cool, Freddy? Who the hell is that?
What?
Fredbear.
What the heck? Oh my god. What the heck just went for a black screen? Oh, right. It just went somewhere else. God dang it. Ay, ay, ay. Do I have to really fix this? Holy fish paste. You kidding me? Right now. Oh my gosh. Thank you for bringing that screen back up. Oh yeah. God dang it. So, sorry guys. It mostly did that for before. It really did. So, don't blame me. So, sorry. We'll get back with this video right now. So, hope you guys enjoy. There we go.
Are you cool, Freddy? Who the hell is that? Fredbear, what do you think is so fun?
He's right there, man. Come on. He's gonna hear you right now.
But he's been a jackass because of it. Bitch, I heard you were talking shit.
Oh my god.
Can you play your guitar, please? No.
Uh-oh.
Why would I do that for a little like you?
Ow. Oh no.
Goddamn guitar. I will tear what's left of your ears and put them straight up your ass. You like to piss off right there?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Man, this is funny.
You're a dead man or woman.
He's a male. How would you even suggest that?
Hey, Puppet, how do you do this, Spring Bonnie and Fredbear if they try to fight or hurt you?
Oh my gosh. LOL. Spring Bonnie Fredbear got whacked by Puppet. LOL. Ah, they got wrecked. Blah. They just got wrecked. Man, I love it how they get wrecked so many times. So, no, really, they just did. So, Anyway, we are going to be watching this next video. So, hope you guys enjoy this next video. So, let's get on with the next video. And please be sure to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. And yes, we are going to be reacting to the next video called The Tracker. The Tracker Nightguard. So, anyway, we'll be reacting to the second video that which Right9 just made a long time ago. So, I actually want to go to number lane and also keep on reacting to older videos that were in the past. So I decided that I had to do some stuff, but because you guys didn't see the whole video of my, screen on the video, so I decided to re-show you the whole video again. So yeah, I'm not trying to steal people's videos, I'm just here to react to them. So yeah, I have nothing else to do or nothing else to hide, so yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into the video. And please hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the bell to be notified in every video that you'll love to see. So guys, there will be like 3 videos or 2 videos that I'll be deciding to put in this whole video, so yeah, I'll decide which one. So don't judge me how the way there's supposed to be like one single video to be reacted to. So let's get into the video and let's do this. And also, please do not make fun of my favorite characters, which is Foxy, Phantom, Nightmare, Wizard, or any Foxys in the characters. So please don't make fun of them. And guys, if you do it, then I swear to you guys. Ah, frick. God dang it. Frickin' dang it. My computer always does this. Seriously. Yeah, my computer's being stupid for no genuine reason because my computer takes a little bit of a long, slow time. So, don't blame me and don't blame the computer. So, yeah. It's pretty... Are you kidding me? Oh yeah, never mind. How could that security camera be at the office if they only see him? Oh my goodness. Just LOL. Nightmare's the security guard. Oh, jeez. He got scared so easily. Ow! Owie, that had to hurt. Oh boy, it's Golden Freddy. That's pretty weird. No, we're Foxy.
Oh my god.
No! This can't be.
I am victorious.
Ow!
What a trickster cheater.
Yeah, seriously guys, we cannot have cheers in every dimension. So yeah, no cheers allowed. Ah, ah. Yeah, never do that. Ever. Yeah. Never. If you guys want me to react to to every video of Rivalry Knight's videos, then yes, I may react to their videos, or if not. So yeah, if you want to ask me or not, then it's cool to you guys. So hope you guys enjoy Rivalry Knight's videos. So and mostly Darkbox. So please subscribe them and please keep on subscribing out there or whatever. So keep on doing it. Oh frick! Blah 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 blah. Why is it always freaking ads? No! Ah, you ads waste my time here. Gosh, the ads really annoy me. For some reason, how and why. Gosh, can the ads just go away for a single second before they actually get to this? Yeesh, I'm not even seeing these ads. LOL, hate the ads. Anyway, guys, so this is Adventure Nightmare Devin-Foxy, and again, I will be seeing you guys on the next video, so please enjoy this video, please subscribe, and also please subscribe to Darkbox and Ryber9. So, if you already have, then congratulations. So, yeah. So anyway, this is Adventure Nightmare Devin-Foxy, and we'll be going on to the next video, so hope you enjoyed. So, if you're all ready to see every video that you guys want to see, then be my guest. So, hope you guys enjoy, and this is Adventure Nightmare Devin-Foxy. Just please subscribe and also hit the bell to be notified, and also subscribe to my channel because I have 272 subscribers, so thank you, and please
Get me to 300. We need to get this. And if you guys keep still being lackers or being lazy people, then I have no choice taking this seriously. But yeah, just please subscribe.